Noticing hot spots or cold zones on your Ninja Sizzle? One side burns while the other barely sizzles? This usually comes from plate placement, uneven surfaces, or blocked airflow. Here's how to fix uneven cooking and get consistent results every time. Step 1. Make sure the cooking plate is seated flat. Remove and reseat the plate. Press down evenly to lock it in place. If it's not flush, heat won't distribute properly. Step 2. Cook on a fully level surface. Set your sizzle on a counter that isn't sloped or warped. Use a level app or place a marble to test. If it rolls, you've got tilt. Step 3. Don't crowd the surface. Overloading with food blocks heat circulation. Leave a bit of space between items so heat spreads evenly. Step 4. Preheat with the lid closed. Closing the lid while preheating helps build uniform heat across the plate. This reduces cold spots right from the start. Step 5. Rotate food halfway through cooking. If you're still noticing slight hot spots, rotate or flip items halfway through. Helps balance out any minor temperature differences. Still seeing uneven results? There could be a warp in the plate or a heating element issue. Ninja support link is in the description. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and happy grilling.